Hello, my dear student aspirants. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss on how to calculate magnitude and phase of a given transfer function. Okay, so this discussion, this small suggestion will be helpful to plot polar plot and Nyquist plot. So let us see with some examples how to calculate magnitude and phase angle of a transfer function. Let us start with the simple complex equation. Say if g of s equal to 1 plus 3s, okay, 1 plus 3s. So what is the magnitude and phase angle of the simple transfer function? Say first we replace s by j omega. So then g of j omega equal to 1 plus j 3 omega, right? So what is the magnitude of g of j omega? M, okay, equal to square root of imaginary part square and real part square, okay, 1 square plus 3 square. So this will be equal to square root of 1 plus 9. This is equal to root 10. Understand? So what is the phase angle of this transfer function? Phase angle equal to g of j omega. Okay. So what is this? Tan inverse of this. Simply we know the formula from the complex domain. So tan inverse of imaginary part divided by real part, right? Imaginary part divided by real part. Understand? So what is the imaginary part by real part? This will be equal to tan inverse of uh, 3 by 1. So what is tan inverse of 3? So tan, please calculate and tell me, dear students, tan inverse of 3 will be 71.56 degree. Okay, 71.56 degree. Okay, so we can easily plot the point. So where is that this point? This is in the real plane. This is real. This is the imaginary axis. So where this pole exactly placed with the real 1, here 3, right? So this will be available here. So what is the? So this will be your base angle. Understand? Say if I do the same, this is the correct placement of the magnitude and base. So this magnitude is root 10. So this magnitude value is root 10. Understand? So magnitude is root 10. Phase angle is 71.56. 71.56. Let's see another example. Say g of s equal to same -1 minus 3s. -1 minus 3s. So what will be the magnitude? So magnitude will be same. Magnitude equal to square root of -1 square plus -3 square. This will be again root 10. Whereas the phase angle, well, as per the tan inverse of imaginary part divided by real part, so tan inverse of -3 divided by -1, this will become again tan inverse of root 3. But if you calculate as usual, you will be getting 71.56 degree. But this is not correct. Understand? So while doing the polar plot, this is not correct. So how to exactly locate the phase angle for such a pole with negative values? Okay. So where it exactly lies, you see here, where it exactly lies. So -1, the real axis. This is the real axis. This is the imaginary axis. Okay, so minus 1 is here, minus 3 is in the downside. So minus 3j. Okay, so minus 3j omega, minus 3j. This is minus 1, minus 3j. Understand? So where the point will be here. So what is the magnitude root 10? Those, but the phase angle. Okay, the phase angle will be here. Understand that? So what is the exact phase angle? From this point to this point. Understand? So this is the phase angle of this transfer function. This transfer function, the phase angle is from this point to this point. That is, we have to add 180 degree plus this value, plus this value. Understand? So plus this value. Understand or not? So what is this value? Tan inverse of this angle alone, tan inverse of 3, tan inverse of 3 by 1. So this will be equal to 71.6. So the phase angle of this transfer function is 180 plus tan inverse of 3. This is equal to, so 180 plus tan inverse of 3, 180 plus, understand my dear student friends, 71.72, 71.56. So the answer will be 180 plus 71.6. Okay, so 180 plus 71.6, 70. So 150, 152, around 250 to 51.56, 251.56 degree. So this is the correct phase angle for the transfer function. Understand or not? So let us see with the simple complex transfer function. Let us draw the polar plot for this transfer function 3 by s minus 1. Okay, so solution, very simple solution. So what is the solution for this? This problem is asked in GATE 2021. Okay, so how to find, first to draw the polar plot. So in the imaginary, real and the imaginary GH plane. Okay, GH plane, that is complex plane, real and imaginary. Okay, let us find first find the magnitude and phase angle. So first G of j omega for this transfer function will be 3 by s minus 1. So replace s by j omega. Replace s by j omega. So j omega. So what is magnitude? Magnitude equal to 3 divided by square root of 1 square plus 1 square. So 3 by root 2. 3 by root 2. What is phase angle? Let us see phase angle as usual. If we calculate for the numerator 0, for the denominator, what we do normally, tan inverse of j omega by minus 1. So this will be equal to minus brings to the front side. So plus tan inverse of omega, right? This is wrong if you proceed like this. So say for this condition, let's see, for this condition, what is the polar plot? Okay, so when omega equal to 0, what is the magnitude? Magnitude is 0, right? Magnitude is 0. That is omega square plus 1 square. Omega square plus 1. So when omega is 0, magnitude is infinity. Magnitude is 3. When omega is when omega, this is omega square plus 1. When omega is omega is 0, the magnitude is 3. Magnitude is 3 because this is 0. So 3 by 1, 3. What is the phase angle? Phase angle is, so 0, the angle is 0. So if you proceed like this, where the polar plot starts, when omega is 0, magnitude is 3, the phase angle is 0. So phase angle is 0 here, the magnitude is 3 value, from 3 it starts. When omega is infinity, where it terminates, when omega is infinity, so magnitude becomes 0. What is the phase angle? Phase angle is plus 90 degree. So where is plus 90 degree? So plus 90 degrees here, plus 90. So if you proceed in this way, we will be getting the polar plot start from magnitude 3 and the phase angle 0, from 0 to 90, from 0 to 90 with an infinity. So the curve will be, it will end 0, magnitude 0, so it will be like this. Understand or not? So this is the polar plot. If you proceed in this fashion, so this such a process is wrong. If you should not proceed like this. So this approach is wrong. So what we have to do? So let's see. We have to do phase angle. So actually, the polar plot. Let us plot in the complex plane, real and imaginary. Real and imaginary. So where is the point? So then actually the denominator is minus 1 j omega. Okay. So where is minus 1? The negative real axis. So this side. So minus 1 j omega. That is how much? Omega. Just omega. So omega is somewhere here. Understand? So omega is here. So what is 1? Okay. This is minus 1. This is also omega. Okay. So 1 by omega. Understand? So the phase angle will be somewhere here. Omega is here, so it is in the positive value. So your the phase angle point somewhere here. So this is j omega, right? So what is the phase angle? Phase angle is from this point to this point. Okay, so this is the phase angle for this transfer function phi equal to. So how can we write this? So this you can easily find out using this is tan inverse of minus omega, right? Tan inverse of minus tan inverse of omega. This is minus tan inverse of omega. So what is the phase angle? The phase angle will be 180 minus, the phase angle is 180 minus tan inverse of omega, minus tan inverse of omega. So this minus this becomes plus. Okay, minus tan inverse of omega. Understand or not? So for the numerator 0, for the denominator is 180 minus 180. Actually, this is minus 180. So 180 degree minus, it is in this axis, right? So 180 minus tan inverse of omega, right? When omega is minus 180 minus, it is in the, that is minus of 180 minus tan inverse of, because in the denominator, right? The factor j omega minus 1 is denominator. So minus of, so phase angle is minus of, for the numerator 0, for the denominator minus of 180 minus tan inverse of omega. Understand or not? So when omega, now let us substitute the value, magnitude equal to, when omega is 0, magnitude is 3. What is the phase angle? Phase angle is minus 180. Minus 180 degree. Understand or not? Minus 180. When tan inverse of infinity, right? So what will be, what we are getting, what we will be getting? So 180 minus 90, minus 90, right? Minus 90. So when omega is infinity, what is the magnitude? Magnitude is 0. What is the phase angle? Phase angle is minus 90 degree. So now we can easily plot the polar plot. So when omega is 0, magnitude is 3. Understand? Magnitude is 3. Where it is 3 at a phase angle of minus 180. So it starts from 3 here, the magnitude 3 here. So it starts the polar plot here and ends at minus 90 degree. So this is minus 180. This is minus 90. Understand or not? So the polar plot is from 3 to 0. So this is 0. Magnitude 0 when omega is infinity. Here omega is 0. Magnitude is 3. So this is increasing omega. Understand? This is the polar plot. So suppose this, what is the Nyquist plot for this? So that is the mirror image of this polar plot. Just it starts and ends here, right? So this minus 1 point is enclosed in the anti-clockwise direction. Understand that? So this is the procedure to solve this sum.